Can you control the volume of your sneezing?
You can't control the volume of the sneeze. The audible shit that you do is uncalled
That is
for.
part of my sneeze.
So are you ready?
Yeah, hold on.
Can you control the volume of your sneezing?
You can't control the volume of the sneeze. The audible shit that you do is
That
uncalled
is
for.
part of my sneeze.
Look, cool. It's like, so if you were in Taken and you were under the bed, you'd be under the
My
bed
heart would
just.
stop.
No! You would
Sneeze
not.
like that.
You would be like, kidnappers in the house, Courtney, please. Whatever you do, just don't get us help. Okay, just quiet. Then you just feel a knife come through the mattress in your back. Then you yell. Do that real quiet. But I'm just saying, if you sneeze, you can literally just like you sneeze, like the not a sound, but you take and add in.
No, I don't.
Yeah.
I do not.
Yes.
No, I don't. I
Courtney is
cannot.
like, "Chew!" I'm like, that was uncalled for.
No, I'll have some where I'm like, "Achoo, achoo." But then the other ones where it's like deep back there and you're just like,
Okay. I really don't like talking on here, but I'm going to try to make an attempt to be a little bit more authentic. So I'm going to tell you a little bit about myself. I'm the baby girl out of 5 older boys. My mother tried her hardest to make me a girly girl, and I just wasn't having it. Didn't want to do dance, ballet, etiquette school, anything like that. So needless to say, despite her efforts, I haven't learned to be very graceful in life. So I'm going to tell you about the time that I first met my ex-husband's parents. We were at Thanksgiving dinner and I had to sneeze. And I was told that if you say mayonnaise, it'll stop you from sneezing. So here I am at the Thanksgiving dinner table, and I had to sneeze. And I end up going, mayonnaise! Yeah, really loud. It didn't stop me. And instead of, covering my face and saying, excuse me, excuse me, whatever, I shouted mayonnaise across the table and sprayed them with all of my germs. Yeah. Great story. I mean, he still proposed to me and married me, so it must not have had that big of an effect. But anyways, have a great day.
Girls like you, not guys like me. Alright, I should scoot. Bye. Bye. What happened?
Just feeling a little under the weather.
You want a tissue?
Please go, you'll get late.
I'll get you cetrazine. I'll call the doctor.
It's okay, you're so considerate.
I'll call the ambulance. अच्छा जा रही हूँ मैं.
ठीक है.
Bye.
जा.
ये क्या किया? जाते हुए छींक दिया. पता है ना अपशगुन होता है.
अरे छींक तो कभी भी आ सकती है ना.
तुझे गलत टाइम पे ही आती है. कर क्या रही है? रोक नहीं सकती.
Bitches who sneeze like this. Shut the fuck up.
The question is, does it feel good to sneeze like that? No. It hurts sometimes because like once a sneeze will get stuck. You know what I mean? Like actually took a video of a sneeze just now and you can hear the sneeze got stuck. So does it feel good? No.
That would hurt.
Okay, so I'm home alone and I'm sick and I'm having these random fucking thoughts in my head, and I need to know if anyone else thinks this or anyone else has experienced this, because for the longest time, like, I just thought it was really fucking weird about it, and so did my sister. So, like, I was younger and my sister has really bad allergies. She sneezes, okay? She sneezes sometimes. And I swear, like, I smelled the most ungodly fucking smell that I've ever smelled in my life right after she sneezed. And I was like, dude, your sneeze smells really fucking bad. And she was like, no, it doesn't. No, it doesn't. For fucking years, she said that. And she didn't believe me because she couldn't smell it, because I guess she was congested, that's why she couldn't smell it. But literally, like, I don't know where we were. I think we were at the store or something, and someone sneezed, and she was like, what the fuck is that smell? And I was like, yeah, bitch, that's death. That's the shit that I've been smelling for years whenever anyone else sneezes, and you didn't believe me. But, it's literally not just her. It's like everyone sneeze has a smell, and it smells really fucking bad, like bacteria. And because I've been sick, I've been, like, more conscious of how I sneeze. And even though I'm at home, I don't want to fucking smell that shit. So, like, I've been trying not to, like, fully sneeze. I don't know. Let me know if anyone else feels this. Like, maybe I'm fucking crazy, but, like, sneeze smell really fucking bad. They do. They just do. They just do.
Does anyone else just love sneezing like I've just done? I mean, I think I've got quite a talent for it, if I'm honest, because I've just done about 10 sneezes in a row. Probably not exactly 10, give or take a few either side, but I just blooming love it. I don't know what it is. And I'm aware that it's annoying for everybody else around me, because I am the loudest sneezer I've ever met. So I'm aware that no one else will actually enjoy me sneezing, but I don't know.
That would even take away some of the symptoms that I'm having. Oh my god. And like this year, my seasonal allergies are the worst that they've been ever. Oh my god.
First, I want to say thank you to all of the Niche Tribe. Subscribers and Patreon members, we could not do this without you. You guys keep us lifted up and supported.
gosh, every day.